Hey all, come on in.
Hey y'all, come on in. We're in Italy, in the northern region. We took a train from Milan into Torino, or also Turin, and we went truffle hunting. Here is what we found. Some white ones and a black one. Oh,
Really big.
Don't forget that one. How long have you been truffle hunting?
Like 6 years now.
Okay, how long have you been truffle hunting?
Santino,
Quanto tempo cerchi tartufi?
25 anni.
25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
How many days a week do you truffle hunt?
At least 3 days a week. If you count the truffles we find in Turin, every day.
Oh, how many days do you truffle hunt?
Quanti
Every
giorni esce al tartufo?
Quando c'è il bianco tutti i giorni.
If there is in the white season, every day. This
Adesso
is in winter.
giorno sì, un giorno no.
And
Okay.
now, one day he goes, one day he's less.
All right, so how much is this amount of truffles worth?
This is not so much. Quanto sarà di soldi questi? Se li vendi?
Adesso
50
così,
euro.
no di più, 100 euro.
Ah, 100
Un netto,
euro.
1000 euro.
100
chilo.
euro.
Yeah.
We're very rich. And this dog wants very expensive food. You want very expensive food. So I found this truffle hunting experience on a website called Farm Experience.
Yes.
And then we took a train to Torino, and then we rode up here to the mountains, and then we've been taking the dogs around, and they've been wonderful hosts. I hope that you get to do it one day too. Anything you want to say? Like anything important to tell, like the United States, or?
Vuoi dire qualcosa
Sui tartufi?
sui tartufi
Bah,
che vuoi far sapere
Bah,
negli Stati Uniti?
Andare a tartufi è una passione, abbiamo la fortuna che qua abbiamo la terra che ci dà questi bei frutti, che tutto il mondo ci invidia, però è una passione, per continuare a fare questa passione bisogna rispettare l'ambiente. Dove c'è il tartufo perché c'è un ambiente sano, genuino, l'aria buona, il terreno non c'è inquinamento, perciò...
Fammi tradurre, va? Se no mi dimentico
Sì.
l'inizio.
Ok.
So,
Okay, what do you say?
so he says to find truffles, to search truffles is a passion, and to stay in the nature, because where you find truffle you have a healthy nature. So finding truffle is also protecting the nature.
Adesso faccio vedere i cani, gli artefici di tutto questo sono loro.
Yeah.
Adesso facciamo una
That's
foto
all
con
the
loro.
heroes of
Senza di
all
loro
this
non
are
troveremmo
the dogs.
tartufi.
He wants to show the dogs.
Dai, vieni giù. Ecco qua, vieni qua. Vasco, vieni, dai. Raul, vieni. Dai, bravo, eccoli qua. Senza di loro niente tartufi.
Yeah, of course, without
Bisogna
the dog,
volergli bene.
no dog, no truffle.
No dog, no truffle.
Does anyone use pigs in Italy for?
No, it's forbidden.
Oh,
Però loro hanno...
Yeah,
oh,
you
just
can,
the
because
dogs.
the pigs, they destroy the soil.
Anche perché loro lo prendono quando è maturo, cioè quando è profumato.
And you can train the dog to take the truffle just when it's ready.
Oh, okay.
And this is why it's an ongoing. No, I told you, maybe to train the dog to find the truffle takes 10 minutes. But then you train it to find the good ones, to not take the rotten ones, and to not take the too young ones, and so on. This takes all the life of the dog.
So, do you have anything like you would want the United States to know about Italy, truffle hunting, dogs?
It's a passion. That's truffle hunting is super nice because you're out in the nature, and working with dogs.
Yeah.
This is
And it's your exercise. It's your exercise.
and it's an exercise, of course. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bravo, bravo.
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Dai Raul. Raul, qua, vieni. Aspetta qua. Raul, cerca qua. Dove? Raul, dove? Piccolo. Dove? Di qua. Qua. Dove? 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 Piano. Dai. Dove? Dai. Dove? Dove? Mangiare. Eccolo. Dai Vasco.
Piccolino. Vieni. Aspetta. Mirna.
Hello, come on in. Tante fonte sulfurosa.
And then what city?
Castelnuovo Don Bosco, a Bardella, d'Abertu.
Yeah, now they have to warm up a little bit, and then they smell.
Okay, so they ordered the meal for us, so we don't speak Italian, they know all the things. We're at a local restaurant here. This is flan with vegetables and cheese, and then we grated the truffle mushroom on top, and it is decadent. So good. Very good.
Questo è fantastico, davvero.
Soup with ravioli and truffle mushroom.
Polli.
Steak?
Yeah, it's steak. It's cosa sarà? Un vitello? Cos'è?
È una mucca piemontese che è famosa.
This is this cow breed. This